What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Naturally Native, or so. I used to be Naturally Native. Now I'm Drisky. But yeah, I'm Drisky now. I will go into that differently because today we're talking about vegan junk food, and I'm getting to that. So if you've been seeing my other videos, you know that I was vegetarian. I've been vegetarian since I went to college last year. So I've been a vegetarian for about 9-10 months now. And I recently just gone vegan. Now I went vegan before in January, but now I'm officially vegan again because now I'm back home on summer break. But today's topic, we're going to be talking about my favorite vegan junk foods to eat. So let's get into it. My first favorite vegan junk food to eat is Ben & Jerry's peanut butter half-baked non-dairy frozen yogurt. I mean frozen desserts. The reason I like this is because it does not taste any different to me than ice cream. Instead of using regular milk, of course, you use almond milk, and it's actually different because I've made my own ice cream before with frozen bananas. I'll put a recipe in my blog if you check the link down below. But I made ice cream before, and I didn't like the fact that it actually tasted like bananas. Like, I'm not saying I wanted it to taste like ice cream, but I didn't want to have that banana-y taste. So I was a little skeptical on eating this for the first time, but it's my first time having actually some store-bought vegan ice cream since I was like a child when I used to go to Trader Joe's with my mom. So eating this, it tastes like real ice cream. I recommend it for anybody who wants to, you know, still have that ice creamy taste, but it's a vegan. I would love to try it. Ben & Jerry's is it cost me about $4.50, $4.70, so it's a little expensive, but hey, you gotta pay extra for things that are not as available to you. Another one of my favorite vegan junk food is TAKIS. I actually accidentally split the bag a little bit, but this is the TAKIS bag. It's completely vegan. I didn't know that it was. I love it. It's like a rolled tortilla. This is how it looks. I don't know about the other flavors, but I know that this one in particular is vegan, and this is actually my favorite flavor. It's been like this since 3rd grade, so I love it. And I'm going to do a taste test for y'all. Okay, but y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. Now I'm used to the hotness, so the hotness does not bother me no more. But if you're not a spicy person, I wouldn't recommend it because it's not that it's just spicy. It has a lime, so it gives it kind of more of an amplified kick to it. So if you're not really into spicy chips, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you are into spicy chips and you're kind of trying to wean yourself off of Cheetos or other stuff that you like to eat, I recommend this. You know, it's very good. Another one of my favorite vegan treats are OREOs. So I'm not gonna taste test these because I had some of that ice cream I showed y'all earlier. So I'm not gonna taste test these yet. But OREOs, I just found out they're vegan when I first went vegan in January. My roommate informed me that they were, and I did my research, and I looked on the back and found out that, I don't know if you can see it, but it contains only only wheat and soy. Sorry, y'all. Almost sent y'all off. Almost sent y'all off. Sorry. But yeah, OREOs are vegan. We just found that out. Now I will say though, supposedly people has been saying that they are being processed on machinery that has milk and other products that vegans normally wouldn't use. To me, that doesn't really bother me because I'm just starting out this veganism thing. I've done it a few times and I love it. The only thing that stopped me was going to college, of course, because I'm not able to cook, because I know how to cook, and I will post some of my stuff that I cooked in my blog as well as my social media on HBCU Vegan. But it doesn't really matter to me because the fact that these are vegan, it just surprises me because everybody's eating Oreos. Like, we love Oreos. I haven't met anybody that doesn't like Oreos. So the fact that some of these name brand things are made veganly just surprises me, and and it just amazes me every day about how far we've advanced at this type of stuff. Another one of my favorite junks that I don't have right now because I was too lazy and too cheap to buy 2 bags of chips, do not judge me, is sweet chili chips by Doritos. Now, those are completely vegan. I love them. I think I love anything sweet chili. Like anytime I eat some Asian food with some sweet chili tofu, I just but yes, y'all, it is completely 100% vegan, no milk products, no nothing, and the taste is just amazing. Like sweet chili is just, it gives you this type of kick. Like it's sweet, it's spicy, and it's just an amazing flavor, and I just love it. And I was eating it before I even went vegan. When I found out they were vegan, I bought like 3 packs. The same day I was at the store in college, I bought 3 packs and I almost ate all 3 of them within the first week. So they are highly addictive. I love them, and I say that y'all should give them a try. Now, another thing that's junk food that I actually like is Chick-fil-A's waffle fries. I love Chick-fil-A's waffle fries. I love anything from Chick-fil-A, but of course, I can't eat anything from Chick-fil-A except for their fries and their drinks. Now, usually when I go there, I usually get 2 large fries because I don't know about any other place, but I know that in Chicago, they charge me $2 for like a large fry. So I'd be like, hey, might as well get 2. So I get 2 large fries, and then I'll get like a lemonade, like a large lemonade, and keep it pushing. And I'll dip it in some barbecue sauce. And when I tell you I'd be in heaven, like Chick-fil-A's waffle fries are so good. Now, the only thing I will say though is that if you are allergic to nuts or any type of nuts, I wouldn't recommend eating it because of course Chick-fil-A cooks their oil in peanut oil, cooks their fries in peanut oil. So just be wary of that. If you're allergic to any nuts, I wouldn't recommend trying it because you will have allergic reaction depending on how allergic you are to nuts. But if you're not, I'll welcome to you to try. Another awesome food that I don't unfortunately have right now because mama stole it from me is my Thin Mints. I did not know that Thin Mints were vegan. Just found this out actually right now when I was looking on the internet. Thin Mints are so good. I love Thin Mints. They're completely vegan, so it's perfect to eat. It's a perfect Girl Scout cookie to me. It was my favorite even before I even found out they were vegan. I ain't like none of the other ones. Everybody always go for the samosas or whatever, mimosas, whatever you call them. I like Thin Mints. I've always been a Thin Mint person. So yeah, I definitely recommend that y'all go try. My last favorite vegan junk food is Skittles. I love Skittles. They're just so addictive. That's why I don't have them right now because they would have been eaten by the time I made this video. But Skittles are completely vegan. They're very sweet. I don't know how to explain them because I'm pretty sure everybody has had Skittles before. If you haven't, please let me know in the comments so I can apologize because I'm not trying to throw everybody into a box. But Skittles are completely vegan, y'all, so make sure you go get them. They're like $1 a piece. You can find them at your local store, Dollar Tree, vending machine. They're like everywhere. That's it on today's video, y'all, on my favorite junk food. I will say though, although these junk food are so good, the only thing I will say though is make sure that you keep it to a minimum because I've had this problem when I first went vegan. I went ham and maxed all the Oreos, maxed all the chips, and I gained weight instead of losing weight. And I found out it's because you can't just eat junk food and think because it is vegan that you're going to lose weight or you're not going to gain weight. You're going to gain weight, as a matter of fact, more than you would eat things with dairy in it or meat in it because they're trying to make it taste so good that they have to add extra things that make the calories go up, make all the other things go up, and it's just gonna turn unhealthy if you eat it too much. So make sure that you keep it to a minimum, which is why I haven't opened these Oreos because I've eaten some ice cream today and I'm trying not to do that. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Please subscribe to my channel down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please drop a comment if you have anything to say. And yeah, have a nice day, y'all. Live, love, life, and stay vegan.